Hello, guys. I am Kate, and I am back with the Earn Network platform, your favorite and the leading DeFi marketplace to earn yield on your favorite tokens and NFTs. We're supported by leading funds such as Shima Capital, Marana, Bixen Ventures, J Square, LD Capital, and at the moment, we have over 6,000 active stakers. You guys have earned a total of over 900,000 in rewards so far. Thanks to you guys, our platform has reached over 4.2 million in staked value, and we are currently supporting over 80 assets. Today, I want to show you how you can capitalize on the Osaka protocol staking to earn multiple rewards across various blockchains. Let's head on over to the Osaka protocol staking pool. And the first thing we're going to do is connect our wallet. Okay, now in the performance section, you can see your available balance. I have 999 OSAK tokens. If you scroll down, we have our available rewards as always. The one at the very bottom is available to users who have at least 100,000 earned tokens in their wallet. For users who hold an NFT that can be redeemed after completing a few simple tasks. And we will have the description for everything below this video. Okay, let's scroll back up. On the right side, we can choose the amount of tokens we wish to stake. Use these little arrows. You can also click max if you would like to stake all of your tokens available. So for me, 999. Let's just do maybe 9 tokens. Up top, you can click these little buttons and choose your lockup period. The longer the lockup period, of course, the more rewards you can claim at the end of it. Let's just do 40 days. You can see your rewards summary changing every time you change the amount of tokens or the lockup period. Now head on over to the stake button and we will confirm our transaction in our MetaMask wallet. Okay, now in the performance section, you see the staked amount has automatically changed. You can see your redemption date. And if you scroll back down, you can already see that you are earning on your staked tokens. Let's go to our dashboard, which you can access clicking this green rectangle and my investments, where all of your staked tokens and coins are nicely displayed for you. You can click view. So let's go to the Osaka protocol staking pool again, which we have just staked. If you wish to unstake your coins for any crazy reason, you have the unstake button right here. Everything is in our white paper, all the steps you need to take if you wish to have some guidance along the way. Okay, let's go back to the main page. Please do head on over and check out all of our top crypto gems, not available elsewhere. Look at all this neat stuff we have prepared for you guys. Check everything out. Remember, you are only able to make these transactions on your tokens and coins. You're in charge, you're fully in charge of this entire process, and you can always come and earn safely with us. All right. At the bottom of the page, you have our white paper, our earn token, and more articles that we have prepared for you guys. If you have any more questions, thoughts, concerns, please click this little green circle and contact our friendly and very responsive customer support. They will help you with whatever issues you are having or just have a nice chat with us. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great time earning with the Earn Network, and I'll see you in the next one.